What's going on? It's your boy Zach here. Back with another one. Wait till you see what we got going on today. You might have to cut that out. You're gonna have to cut out swear words. This is gonna be a bad one. What the hell has happened? I got the GoPro. We got some 93.
Okay.
Dude, I had to close the garage door. Dude, the snow was blowing on the...
Sorry,
the quad got hella snow on it, but it's okay. I know it's dark out, but... filling up gas. Say hi, man. Dude, what are you doing? Are you serious? Do you need me to hold it? That's actually pretty flush. Look at that. How fast did you cut that? Did you use your Jamaican saw? Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay, you're going wide. I was thinking you put the big 2x4 on and send that up like, 6 feet in the air, but I think this will get her done. Look at what else we could use. I don't know, man. This could get dangerous.
Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun.
Damn straight it's gonna be fun. I don't think you're gonna see me jumping though. Woo! Yeah. Holy shit! Oh my god! I can't even keep up! Woo! Holy shit, man! There, bud. 5 seconds, bro. Come on, that thing's durable. We saw that thing built. I know you guys saw it. Every screw.
Yeah. Rip with the mower.
Fucking sturdy. We watched on the build it. It was pretty sturdy. I think it'll hold it. Good 250 pounds. Woo! I'm about to hop on your board. Oh no. Just want to take a minute and say that this video is sponsored by Michigan's winter. What a beautiful day. 140-mile-an-hour winds. Getting 18 inches of snow tonight, about. Yeah. Might as well be in Alaska. This has been Channel 10 News. Out.
Bite some fingers.
Welcome back.
Tie rod or tire, you pick.
I'll do a tire.
The tire turned. Got my hand.
The mower is back.
The mower is back. Got
got-
the snow tires.
Yeah, we got Carr out here. We got Zach out here. We're in the middle of Bingtown,
Bingtown, USA.
USA. We're gonna be doing some shredding.
Cold start.
See it. Those straight pipes. Fired up, baby. Oh!
Okay, I didn't expect that, dude. Okay.
Oh my gosh! Dude. Dump it! Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh. Look at the lights flying everywhere. Oh.
This is living.
Yep.
How are we doing?
I don't know.
I got homework.
Dang. Carl turns 21 tonight, guys.
Tonight, yeah.
Wish him a happy birthday.
This is gonna have my first beer ever tonight.
First beer ever from
First beer
Carl.
ever.
He's never drank it in his life.
No.
And now
I'll say it on camera. I've never had a beer.
he's never had a beer. So now it's time for him to experience.
True redneck.
Yeah. What happened? I don't hear it. Here, bud! Stay in there! Oh my gosh. Dude, I thought he was gonna eat it.
I don't know if y'all be able to hear me, but we got a big traction problem. I can't go up track. I'm doing about 27, 25 miles an hour. It's awesome. Oh my God. Oh fuck. Oh shit. This is not, oh my God. We're going for it! I flipped her. Flip the mower, boys. Flipped it! I flipped it! Yeah! I was taking a turn! This whole thing! It's 6th gear, it's all the mile an hour. I was top speed forward. I hit ice and it went whoa! Oh my! I went all the way down to the road and back. Really? Yeah!
Welcome back, baby.
So, four-wheeler, we just got.
Sponsored by another YouTube channel.
Yeah.
This is Street Drive 420.
Exactly. We got the friggin' tank that came in, boys. We got the new tank in. Everything's getting buttoned up. Almost ready.
Oh, dude, the throttle's.
Nasty camber on there, bud. Holy shit. That is nuts.
Or automatic.
Love it. Oh, yeah. Me too.
How fast do you get this thing?
35.
35.
Now, if I put a bigger carb on it.
That means you could rip it down State Street.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't like to go uphill, though, so.
Okay.
Like, if I'm coming out of Tioga, I'm like, like, come on!
You can do it.
Yeah, she's minty, though.
I definitely got to get one of these.
Very minty. What year is it?
94.
94.
1994.
Tomo Sprint.
Looking like she came off the showroom floor.
It's an A35 type. It's minty.
Straight, man.
Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh my god!
over. You good?